Hello friends, this is Dhruvi. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, if you are scrolling over internet, you must be knowing that one coffee is really famous now. It is more famous than coronavirus nowadays. Like overnight, I don't know what's that in that coffee. So I was very curious to try that coffee. Now I'm going to try that coffee today. That is Dalgona coffee. Yes, जहाँ पे भी देखो Dalgona coffee, Dalgona coffee, Dalgona coffee, and I am like, what? It's something to try. Like people are not that crazy without reason. So let's try and see what's that and how it is different from normal coffee. So without wasting time, let's go into my kitchen. Okay guys, welcome to my kitchen, and we are in the kitchen now. Yes, so we'll start with the coffee. Okay, I'll be taking this bowl and Nescafe coffee. Add sugar as per your taste. Add warm water inside that. And then just stir it. I'll be using fork to stir. It's taking too long, like it has already become 5 minutes and nothing has happened. So I think I need to stir more and more. So let's see, hope for the best. Damn, the color is changing, but I don't know, consistency is getting thick, little, but not that thick as I have seen in different videos and pictures. So what should I do? I think I should stir more. Like it has already become, it already took 10 minutes, like 10 to 15 minutes now. I don't know, I'm just doing it for next 5 minutes and just giving up because nothing is happening. Yes guys, color has completely changed. Yes, I can see that, and consistency is also getting little thick. So I think I need to try for more 5 minutes, but it's really hand paining process. But I'll give it a try. Okay guys, after 5 minutes you can see this is what the consistency is. It is really thick, but not that thick as well. If I want, I can do for more 5 minutes, but I am damn tired. Like haath dukhne lage hai. It's really time consuming. Yes, you can use beater as well, but I didn't wanted to use beater for this video. Like everyone don't have beater. So yes, but if you have, absolutely you can use, or if you don't have, you can use hands like me, like the way I am doing. Like it almost took half an hour to just stir it. But yes, you can stir while watching TV. You can take this bowl outside your kitchen and stir it. Since it's quarantine and you are free, like all the family members are free, you can give anyone to stir, or else turn by turn you guys can stir. It's nice. See the consistency. See, I'm just liking it. I'm dying to taste. Like I don't know how it's gonna taste. Okay, done. Now I'll be taking a glass. This I'll be doing in glass so that I can take good pictures. So first thing we'll add is milk. Okay, we won't fill this glass fully, and then we'll add, I hope it don't melt inside. OMG, I took 2 spoons. I thought that I and my brother both will be done from 2 spoons, but no, only one glass is made. Okay guys, so this is coffee and this is how it is looking. Okay, now I'll be tasting. I'll add a spoon inside this and stir करना रहता है कि नहीं, I don't know, but I'll stir it because I'm sure that if I taste तो ऊपर से सिर्फ कॉफ़ी का टेस्ट आने वाला है. OMG, it's nice. I swear to God, it's really nice. Shit man, कुछ अलग ही है ये. Now I know why it is that viral on internet. It's really tasty guys, trust me. You need to try this. And if you're trying, do share pictures with me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is given in the description box. Yes guys, that was all for today. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe and click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. And let's get connect. Do DM me on Instagram. And now let me finish this coffee. Yeah, it's damn tasty. Bye bye.